PuTTY and click search. Click on download PuTTY. Then click here. After that you can click on 64-bit or 32-bit. It depends on your computer's operating system. You can check your operating system in My Computer Properties. Uh, Here I click on 64-bit. Here we have to open the PuTTY to install. After opening, it will start setup. We have to click next. After that we have to click next. And after that we have to click install. The installation is started. We have to uncheck the readme file and after that click finish. Go to search menu and type PuTTY on the search bar and click search and there will be a PuTTY icon. Here you can see PuTTY configuration bar is open and here you can type your IP address. Thank you for watching.